Welcome to Food Trail with me, Shubhra Mukherjee. Trying out new dishes and tasting things that are alien to our taste buds sure is thrilling, just like having an adventure. But amidst the city high-rise buildings and in traffic, we tend to miss out the places that give us new experiences and suits our pocket. So here I am today where I have found one such place. So come and join me. Tucked away in a narrow bylane of the posh complex of Connaught Place stands Anand Restaurant. Among the flocks of people that pass by, one would miss this place entirely, but their food is what brings them back. Famous for its biryani and paratha preparations, their flavors are a result of long family legacy.
हमारे जो ग्रैंडफादर हैं ये उनकी सारी उसी से है ये। तो हमारा जो ग्रैंडफादर ये पाकिस्तान में करते थे, खाना वही बनाते थे पहले वहाँ पर। तो पहले कुक तो होते नहीं थे, ये अपने हाथ से बनाते थे। फिर उन्होंने हमारे बड़े पापा मेरे पापा ने सीखी। उसके बाद हमने फिर यहाँ कुक रखना शुरू करा, कुक को सिखाया। तो आज वो कुक ही चल रहे हैं। वो ये 1936 से मसाला है, वो उन्हीं के हाथ का बना हुआ।
Offering heavy curries and large portions, the incredibly tasty food makes one leave the thought of calories. Serving satisfying varieties of non-vegetarian and vegetarian dishes in a friendly budget, this joint is paradise for the foodies of Delhi.
By the look of it, I didn't like it at the first place. But when I had the food, it was really amazing. The chicken curries and the mutton biryani especially is very nice.
If we are here, we won't eat anything anywhere. We will wait till our work would be done and we will visit to Anand just to have lunch or dinner.
The paratha or flatbread takes on several variations across India, a favorite at breakfast time. The finely minced mutton seekh kebab filled into the pocket of some soft dough adds a special and typical thrill. Roll it out and the paratha canvas is ready. Splatter the coriander and sesame seeds and lower it into the tandoor. What emerges is pure magic. Now over here, I've just tasted the keema paratha and I must say this is one really delicious and packed with flavor paratha. It is really nice and spicy, very bold flavors. This sort of paratha is similar to the Mughlai paratha, which is really famous in the West Bengal side, but that normally comes with an egg coating, but this one is without an egg coating. Nonetheless, the flavors are really nice. Second on the list of delectable delights, the biryani. The name derives from the Farsi biryan or aroma. The biryani originated in Iran. The mighty Mughals brought it to India. Through my different food trail adventures, I've got the chance to taste different biryanis from different corners of the city. But this particular biryani is really incredible, very different from the ones that I have had. And as I am a big biryani fan, this one is really spicy, and spicy is what I like. My God, my tongue is on fire, literally. It comes along with this very thick and heavy gravy, which does all the work, gives it a nice kick, really nice flavors, a heady mixture and a very aromatic biryani, must say. A complex combination of spices
typical to Asia, make curries here the most aromatic and also the most pungent in the world. In their use, very typical non-vegetarian flavors have arisen over the years too, like the keema kaleji or liver curry. Another is brain curry.
Now this is the brain curry that I just tasted. The preparations of brain curry surfaces in different food cultures all around, but then this particular preparation of brain curry is really spicy. It has a heady and a heavy mixture of masalas which really boost up the flavor. Really very spicy. Now this is the keema kaleji curry that I've just tasted, and I must say this is really very spicy. The kaleji or the liver pieces are really nice, very tender, big chunks, satisfying indeed. But then as far as the curry goes, very thick, very aromatic. Again, a lot of spices have been used into it. The good point or the best thing about nailing a perfect curry is with your masalas. If you get the masalas right, then your curry is a perfect hit. And this curry over here is absolutely that. Really nice mixture, very nice. Now this particular food trail has given me new experiences in terms of new dishes and new flavors. So as I am heading back to relishing my food, it's over to you, Tina.